Hey, Kate here from WTI. Looking to be cozy on the go? Check out this awesome portable camping blanket from Litume. So as you can see, it folds up super compact. So that means that you can take this anywhere with you. You can throw it in a bag, you can keep it in the back of your car, or even sling it on your wrist and take it anywhere where you think you may need an extra little bit of coziness. Especially when camping, it can be hot all day, but when that sun sets, it can get pretty chilly. And sometimes you just want a little something by the campfire. So this is perfect for that. It is nice and thin, so it doesn't overheat you, but it's just enough to take the chill out. It's a nice dark gray color, so it doesn't get dirty easily. One side is kind of like a soft fleecy material, and the other side is more of a t-shirt, sweatshirt material. It comes in a really convenient bag, as I mentioned, and it's a pretty decent size when you unfold it. So if you're looking for some extra camping gear, this is definitely something you want to add to your pack or even to your emergency bag for in the car. I definitely recommend it. It's great quality, it's super cozy, and of course, extra convenient because of its size. So definitely pick yourself up one, and that's my point of view.